Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are doing great. Today I will show you how to make the mayo filled potato in my way. Take 1 kg potato, some green chilli, mint leaves, salt to taste as you like, red chilli, 3 tablespoon mayonnaise. Add in a mixture. Crush all the ingredients gently. Take 5 tablespoon mayonnaise, add mint leaves, 3 egg yolk, add salt to taste as you like, mix it really well. Now take the potato mix and make a ball shape, add mayonnaise mixture inside it. Dip in a egg, then spread coconut on the top of it. And then put in a hot cooking oil. Wet until the mayo filled potato color convert in a light brown. Add one by one and then take out after the light brown. Your delicious mayo filled potato balls is ready to eat. Hope you like my video. For more new videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Keep supporting, stay safe and healthy with your family and friends. Bye bye.